chart for analyzing and predicting the market. Let us see what happened yesterday, and what we expected is that yesterday the market will continue its downtrend, and we thought that 426 can act as a major resistance for the market. So yesterday we want to watch whether the market is going to cross above this 422 or what is the closing the market is going to have yesterday for copper trading. And we expected the market will continue its downtrend. That is what our expectation. Let us see what happened yesterday. After the price opened around this zone 424, the price just tested this 425 and then consolidated here. Again it dropped down and it went and again tested this 425 again. It couldn't break this level. You can see that this 425 and 426, if you see our previous presentations, we have mentioned why this 425 and 426 is an important zone for trading and which decides the copper trend. And here it took the resistance and dropped down and tested the major support. Again we have mentioned that 422 is a support for the copper market, and it took the support here and consolidated, and again the price couldn't test the high, that is the evening session high, and it could not break that, and it consolidated and closed around 422.5, which is near the support zone. On considering the previous day's opening, this is the opening and the closing, we can see there is not much movement in the market yesterday, but the closing is just below the opening. It is only a 2-3 point price movement. Yesterday we had that, and the closing is also just above the support 422, and which is above the previous day's closing. This is the previous day's closing, which is again higher than the previous day's closing. So this gives us an indication that the market is little bit neutral, but it can go with the downtrend. Unless until again we can say that today we should expect the market, if the price is going to break this 425 and 426, and if there is any closing above this 426, then we can say the copper can regain its uptrend. Till then we can expect the copper to follow the downtrend, which it is following for this week. So today also we are expecting this 425 and 426 to play a major role in deciding the copper trend, and we expect copper to drop and test, and it can drop till 4. If the price is going to break 422, then it is 420, 416 we can expect that. But what we advise the trader is that even if the today's price is expected to open around this 423 and 424, today the expected price zone is also just above the previous day's closing, which we are expecting today. We can say that we should follow the support and resistance very carefully in order to take a decision. We should see this, what is happening around this 422, whether it is going to form a very good bottoms, it can test the support, and whether it is pulling higher or it is taking this resistance here. So today is going to be a very close day for trading. And also one more thing, today around 7 o'clock we have major news as a trade balance and 3 other news we have for the US market that can also decide the trend. So watch for the news at around 7 o'clock today. Since some major news are coming there, it can have an impact in the copper market. But again we are saying that kindly watch this 425 and 426, which can act as resistance if only the price is going to break this 426, and if we are going to see any closing above this 426, then we can say copper can go higher, unless until it's going to follow the downtrend. So today the market can favor downtrend, but please watch this 422 and this zone very carefully for taking a trading decision. So let us see what's going to happen today in our trading session. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye.